Hi everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to get the water out of your iPhone. So actually, you know that we have a few methods to do so. The first one is using a brush and brushing your USB port and the speakers and the leader and microphones, etc. So this is the first method. Use the normal brush, not the sharp one, just normal painting brush. And the second method is to unscrew our phone. By the way, I won't show you how to unscrew a phone. And the third one is using the Water Eject sound. Open shortcuts on your phone. Shortcuts. And here in the shortcuts, scroll down till you see the Water Eject. Here they have some shortcuts, and here they have Water Eject. Tap it. Begin water ejection. Now our phone is vibrating and the water is being ejected from our speakers. Now it's done, it should be done. The liquid has been successfully ejected from the test phone, which is our iPhone. And that's it for this video. If you have any drawbacks or any questions, ask them in the comments below. And goodbye!